Hello everyone. For change background in Google Slides, from your left side, right click on that slide you want and click on change background. Now click on choose image. You can upload your image from your computer or you can use webcam, link, photos, Google Drive and Google Image. For example, we want to upload, click on browse and choose that image you want for background and click on open. Wait for upload. Now we have two options. If you click on done, that image will be background for just that slide you select. But if you click add to theme, that image will be background for your all currently slide or that slide you want add. For example, we want just for this slide. Click on done. As you see, this slide background was changed. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.